Hello friends, have you ever experienced rough idling, loss of power, or even a misfire while driving? You check your obd2 scanner and it throws code P0209 Injector Circuit Malfunction for cylinder 9. But what does this mean, and how can you fix it before it leads to bigger engine problems? Let's find out. Diagnostic trouble code P0209 indicates that the Engine Control Module, or ECM, has detected an issue with the fuel injector circuit for cylinder 9. This could be due to a bad injector, a wiring issue, or even an ECM failure. If ignored, it can cause poor fuel economy, misfires, or even permanent engine damage. The location of cylinder 9 really depends on your engine configuration. For V8 and V10 engines, cylinder 9 is usually on the driver's side towards the rear of the engine. As for the injector location, the fuel injector is mounted on the intake manifold, attached to the fuel rail and wiring harness. So let's talk about some common causes of a P0209 code. First up, you could have a faulty fuel injector. Sometimes a clogged or damaged injector can cause fuel flow problems. Next, there might be damaged wiring or a connector. Corroded, loose, or shorted wires can really disrupt the injector signal. Another issue could be a bad ECM. If the ECM isn't sending the correct pulse, well, the injector just won't work properly. And finally, fuel system issues like a weak fuel pump or a clogged fuel filter can also lead to injector circuit faults. Alright, here are the steps to fix a P0209 code. Step 1, check the wiring and connector for the cylinder 9 injector. If you find any damage, go ahead and repair or replace it. Step 2, use a multimeter to measure the injector's resistance. It should be somewhere between 10 and 15 ohms. If it's out of that range, you'll need to replace the injector. Step 3, check the injector connector for proper voltage. If there's no voltage present, the issue might be with the wiring or the ECM. And step 4, swap the injector with another cylinder. If the code moves, well, you know the injector is faulty and needs to be replaced. Ignoring a P0209 code can actually lead to some pretty severe engine damage. Fixing it early will help keep your car running smoothly and even improve your fuel efficiency. But if the problem just keeps coming back, a professional diagnosis may be necessary. And hey, if you want to learn about more obd2 codes, check out these next videos. P0137, Oxygen Sensor Circuit Low Voltage, Bank 1 Sensor 2, and P0138, Oxygen Sensor Circuit High Voltage, Bank 1 Sensor 2. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. Thanks for watching.